Remember the one moisturizer that works for the skin which rejects moisturizer? The only fungal acne safe moisturizer that I and many of you swear by. Well, it's back but with a reformulated version. The Formula RX Hydra Will Moisturizer. And did you guys remember what I have said in my previous video? The only disappointment with this moisturizer was in general जब भी हम hydration की बात करते हैं हमारे mind में या तो blue color आता है या green color आता है कि हाँ hydration होगी, but yellow color से mostly आपको sun और sunscreen वाला वो वाला feel आपको आता है. So I was expecting कि थोड़ा पेस्टल ब्लू कलर होता ना तो मज़ा आ जाता. आई थिंक दे हैव हर्ड मी एंड दे हैव चेंज दिस पैकेजिंग टू दिस पेस्टल ब्लू color which screams hydration, hydration and only hydration. But is it still a holy grail or have changed the formula to better or worse? Let's break it down all. But before we dive in, did you know that 70% of you who are watching have not subscribed? My analytics has shown me that 70% of you have not subscribed, but I know you guys love my content. If you love the deep skincare breakdowns like this, then I request you to please take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below. It might not cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. So kindly subscribe. I'm waiting. Kindly do that. Now let's dive into it. This moisturizer is all about hydration and barrier repair without clogging the pores. The formula is packed with glycerin and propanediol which act as humectants to pull the moisture into the skin. Then we have panthenol, a soothing ingredient that helps with skin repair, along with ceramide NP and ectoin which will strengthen the skin barrier and protect against environmental stressor. The multi-molecular hyaluronic acid complex ensures the hydration reaches deep into the skin for long-lasting moisture. And the best part, it remains free of oils, fatty acids and common irritants, making it still safe for fungal acne prone skin. And the best part, I always get excited about the texture. This one has a super lightweight gel creme texture that melts into the skin, blends effortlessly and never feels heavy or sticky and leaves the skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. And I absolutely love how it layers under the sunscreen and makeup without peeling. Perfect for the summer and chip wala weather when you need something which is very light, and especially if you're a person who layer multiple skincare like the serums and the essence and the toners, then you need something which is a very light in consistency and fulfill the purpose of a moisturizer to seal and lock all the goodness inside your skin. Perfect. So has the reformulation kept its crown as the best go-to moisturizer for sensitive and fungal acne prone skin? In my experience, definitely yes. It delivers the same lightweight hydration without clogging the pores. So you can use it in your AM and PM routine. It works great under sunscreen and makeup and for the night moisturizer as well. But if you are towards dry skin, like if you're a dry comedone prone, then I think it won't be sufficient for you. A lot of time many people ask me, we are acne prone and at the same time we are dry skin, so what should we do? Tell us a moisturizer which suits our dry skin as well, at the same time won't clog our pore and won't cause us acne. So in that case, my dear, there is only one solution, that you have to keep the moisturizer same, but you have to give extra layers to your skin. You have to give the extra boost or extra hydration, extra moisturization to your skin by using milky toners or add an essence and serums. You can use milky toners like the rice toners we have a lot of in the market. You can go for the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. Do have a milky toner. Even rice toners are there. Hyphen have a really nice milky toner, very moisturizing. Obviously not for my oily skin, but that one is perfect for dry skin. It's very moisturizing. You can go for the Anwar rice. There are multiple rice toners. You can go for the rice toners or any moisturizing toners of your choice. Just use 2 to 3 layers of that toner until you feel like now you're satisfied, now your skin feel well moisturized. Then use your serum, whatever serum you're using, either niacinamide or peptides or whatever you're using, and then use this moisturizer. But even after doing all this, still if you feel dryness, then my suggestion to you is just take any 100% pure squalane oil. Just take 1 or 2 2 drops and just rub it in your palm and then gently pat it all over your face to just to seal and lock the moisture in. That way this will work really well. Try this hack and then let me know if this has worked for you in that way or not. I know जिसको मैंने recommend करा था and जिसने मेरी recommendation पे लिया है, they have loved it, and I would love to know your thoughts about this moisturizer if you have tried this one out. And yes, we have an affiliate code with the brand. It's not at all a sponsored video. Formula-Rx have not paid me anything. I only have an affiliate with them. That's why I have a code for you, which is Bhavna10 for extra 10% off only on Formula-Rx ka website. I have already a link in the description. Do check it out, try it for yourself, and then let me know whether it has worked for you or not. And also make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and share this video with those who are struggling to find a perfect moisturizer for their fungal acne and comedone prone skin. I hope this was helpful. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.